True or false? A job is a job. In my opinion, that's a fallacy. All jobs are not created equal. Unfortunately, though, your government believes that they are. I want to read to you here a short excerpt. Larry+Summers, who is the Obama administration's Director of National Economic Council, said, and I quote, that to make up for millions of offshore manufacturing jobs, all we need to do as a nation is focus on exporting computer software, movies, university degrees, and management consulting and legal services. Let me go on record by saying this is an absurd conclusion, that doing things like this will not bring our country back to an area of prominence. The times in which our country has been most dominant is when we had a vibrant middle class. And we have clear evidence that our middle class was stronger in the first 80 years of the last century than it has been in the last 30 years. The big difference is that the last 5 sitting presidents have actively and passively watched our manufacturing base decay in the United States. And as a result, those of you in the middle class have seen your wage earning potential stagnate over the last 30 years. The last 30 years. It's because we no longer put manufacturing first in terms of a priority in this country. You want to know something else that's absurd? And the G20, out of 20 countries that we are involved in there in that entity, the G20, 19 of them have a plan for national manufacturing and industrialization. There's only one country at the table that does not. Guess who it is? It's us, America. So you tell me, how are we going to be competitive in the global market when out of 19 countries, 20 countries in the G20, we're the only ones without a plan to do so? We're going to get beat at our own game. It's time for us to put manufacturing in the centerpiece of our national strategy. And it needs to start with our leadership. But it also needs to start with you, the average American. Why? Because manufacturing equals real wealth, and real wealth equals manufacturing. We'll see you here next time on the Home for Innovation.